Can you guess what I'm holding in my hands right now? Nope. It's not chocolate. Not dry fruits either. Here's a hint. This tiny packet is a big bang for your health. Still don't know? Okay, here's another clue. If you bring this into your life, you'll hardly need any expensive hair care or skincare products ever again. Yes, friends, these are what I call the seeds of life. Hi, I am Dr. Geeta, and in today's video on Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub, we'll explore 5 magical seeds that can transform your health from head to toe. And I'll also share the right way to include them in your daily diet. So stay tuned till the end, because you don't want to miss this powerful natural remedy that's trending worldwide right now. Seed Hash 1. Chia seeds. Let's begin with the superstar, chocho chia seeds. They are loaded with 3 super nutrients: omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Heart and brain health. Omega-3 keeps your cholesterol balanced, reduces inflammation, and supports brain health. They also boost mood, memory, and mental clarity. Digestive health. Just 2-3 tablespoons give you around 9 grams of fiber. That's almost 35% of your daily fiber intake. This improves gut health and keeps your heart happy. Weight management and energy. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like texture that keeps you fuller for longer, helping in weight management. Plus, the plant-based protein keeps your blood sugar stable, giving you steady energy. To consume, soak 2 TBSP overnight in half a glass of water. Add lemon juice and honey in the morning, and you have a natural energy booster. Or simply sprinkle them on smoothies, salads, or make a delicious chia pudding with milk and fruits. Seed Hash 2. Flax seeds, the golden secret of Ayurveda. Flax seeds, alsi. They are rich in fiber, omega-3, and a powerful compound called lignans. Cancer protection. Lignans fight free radicals in the body that are formed due to stress, smoking, poor sleep, and junk food. They reduce risks of breast, prostate, and colon cancer. Women's health. Flax seeds balance hormones, ease menopausal symptoms, boost fertility, and improve bone strength, skin, and hair. Glow. The protein and antioxidants nourish your skin and hair naturally. Best way to consume. Always grind flax seeds into powder for better absorption. Add them to water, milk, smoothies, or even sprinkle on your homemade cookies and breads. Seed Hash 3. Pumpkin seeds. The green powerhouse, pumpkin seeds. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron. These nutrients strengthen immunity, improve energy, and support heart health. Better sleep. If you struggle with sleep, pumpkin seeds are your friend. Magnesium helps regulate sleep cycles, giving you deep and peaceful rest. Skin and hair. Being a source of plant protein and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds keep your skin radiant and your hair strong. Best way to consume. Have them raw as a snack. Add to soups, salads, or even bake them into breads and muffins. Seed Hash 4. Sunflower seeds. They are packed with vitamin E, the natural skin protector, skin and stress relief, vitamin E and magnesium. Reduce skin damage, lower cholesterol, and relax your nervous system. Help with headaches and migraines. Mood booster. Sunflower seeds contain tryptophan, which increases serotonin, the happy hormone, making you feel calmer and more positive. Immunity. With zinc, selenium, and B vitamins, they strengthen immunity and boost energy levels. How to eat. Just grab a handful as a snack, sprinkle over salads, soups, or add while baking your favorite treats. Seed Hash 5. Garden Cress seeds. A hidden gem, garden cress seeds, halim seeds. Iron and energy. These tiny seeds are an iron powerhouse, raising hemoglobin levels, improving blood circulation, and fighting fatigue. Immunity booster. With vitamin C and antioxidants, they protect you from seasonal infections, pain, and inflammation. Relief. Their anti-inflammatory properties ease pain and swelling naturally. Women's wellness. For centuries, halim seeds have been used post-pregnancy to improve recovery, bone strength, and hormonal balance during menstruation and menopause. How to consume: soak in milk or water, add to smoothies, salads, or simply enjoy them like a natural tonic. So friends, these were the 5 seeds of life. They may look tiny, but they are nature's multivitamins, improving everything from your skin, hair, heart, immunity, to even your mood. But remember, just eating seeds isn't enough. Combine them with regular exercise, good sleep, and reduced junk food, and their benefits will double. Which of these seeds have you already tried? Comment below and let me know your favorite one. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub for more natural wellness secrets. Because sometimes, the biggest changes in life come in the smallest packets.